how to use back tap feature for quick actions in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So did you know that iPhone has a back tap feature for quick actions? So I'll teach you how to use it. For that, open up settings, then go to accessibility. Now scroll down and go to touch, and here scroll down and you'll find the back tap option on the bottom. Tap on it. So you can either change the double tap or the triple tap feature. So if you tap on double tap, and you can see that currently it is set to screenshot. Now if you double tap on the back of your iPhone, you can see that the double tap has been detected and the screenshot has been taken. So similarly, you can change it to any option that you want to. For example, if you change it to home, you tick on it and now you double tap, then you can see that iPhone takes you back to home screen. So you can just do this, go back to settings and change the option according to your wish. You can also customize the triple tap feature, and it'll be really easy to use your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.